I'm going to describe or analyze the question paper of Science CBSE 2000. You are just observing CBSE 2024 Science paper. Question paper is in front of you. This is the set number 3. Only a few questions are changed. So, question number, if you belongs to question number set 3 or other sets, you can also tally what should be correct answer according to my opinion. Which first question, your first question of section A is, which one of the following reaction is different from the remaining 3? So, applying all aspects, all angles, the CaO react with water to form calcium hydroxide. Here, it's a synthesis taking place. In rest of the reactions, there is a double displacement, okay, or any other may be applied, precipitation reaction or other, but light photochemical act is there. But some of you may confused, but this is simple way. It is given in your book that combination reactions and double displacement reaction. So identify the product X obtained in question number 2. The following chemical reaction. Calcium oxide is heated. It gives X compound and CO2. So X is nothing. It is a quicklime CaO, quicklime. So select pair of natural indicator from the following. Turmeric, you know, you are already aware. And lichen is also considered to be the natural one. It is a symbiotic association of algae and fungi, so natural one. Rest are organic or synthesized in laboratory. A chemical compound used in glass, soap and paper industries. Clearly it is written in your book, that is washing soda, sodium bicarbonate. Next is your fifth question. The products obtained when lead nitrate is heated in boiling tube. So when lead nitrate is heated, it is solid one, it gives yellow precipitate of lead oxide and brown ring-like structure of sodium, nitrogen dioxide, along with the evolution of oxygen gas. So it's especially called ring test. Identify the group of the unsaturated hydrocarbon. When you write, I have given the answer number D, that is butene, ethene and propine. So this is the structure formula of butene at the first level here, the double bond. This is the ethene, again double bond, and this is the propine, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon containing, having 1 triple bond. Hence alkane, alkene, alkyne. So these are alkenes and this one is alkynes. These are unsaturated. The structural formula of cyclohexane. So when we write cyclohexane, carbon 6 member of carbon and each carbon has 2 hydrogen atom. Then you can write hexane. Since this is an alkane, this one cannot be. This is alkyne. Okay. This is again double bond. So this one is having a single bond. So cyclo and cyclic one. So cyclohexane. Answer B. Next, question number 8. Which of the following statements are true about human heart? So right atrium receive oxygenated blood. I have done this diagram that right atrium doesn't receive. Right atrium receive deoxygenation. So it is wrong. Left atrium transfer oxygenated blood to left ventricle. Yes, atrium transfer to left ventricle and then to body. So it is right. Right atrium receive deoxygenated blood from the different part of the body through vena cava. So it is also true that it received this, the right atrium receive the blood and then sent to lungs for oxygenation. So these two, B and C, it means your option number C is correct. In an experiment to study independent inheritance of 2 separate traits, shape and color of seeds, the ratio of different combination in F2 progeny, you have to do the dihybrid cross. So you know that in F1 generation all are of parental type, but in F2 generation the parental and recombinant types are in the ratio of 9:3:3:1. Okay, so F1 you all are familiar with. You have to go for the cross, and you can see my separate video on this topic, the law of independent assortment. You can see how this is done. So it is correct one. Select from the following a plant hormone which promotes cell division. Cell division is directly, though auxin gibberellin also help their growth, but cytokinin is specific for that. So that's why cytokinin will be your correct answer. When we come to the question number 11, offspring formed as a result of sexual reproduction produces more variation because genetic material is contributed. No, genetic material is contributed by two parents. So here important, you have importance given to in sexual reproduction, two parents involved and same species. Reproduction always takes place in the same species. That's why the C correct answer is there. DNA copying is not accompanied by the creation of cellular process. This is not true because DNA copying is carried out. Sex determination depend upon the environment in. Definitely in reptiles you have studied that the environment temperature regulates the development of sex. Birds, no, X, Y, Z, W is there. In fishes and amphibians you cannot see. So in case of 4 wire of the same material, the resistance will be minimum if the diameter and length of wire respectively are. You know, resistance is defined as the rho, the general equation you can derive that rho L by A. L is the length, area is the A is the cross section area. So here, if the cross section area diameter is increased, so if diameter is increased, the cross section area decreases, and when the cross section area decreases, the resistance will be higher. So I think length is 2L, then resistance increase, but when you increase the diameter 4 times, the resistance decrease. So minimum will be 4D and 2L. In this given circuit, the total resistance between X and Y you have to calculate. Suppose that this one is Y and this one is X. If you consider these all, it will appear that this one is related to this one in a parallel pattern. This one, the main point is here, X point is here and Y point is there. So we can consider X here and Y here, and these 3 will be there. This one is only, and 2 is also with the X and Y. You can see 2 resistance is here and another is with here. So X and Y, and 6 resistance is also between X and from this Y. So in this way you can calculate 1 by 3 plus 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 formula, and you get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 1, that is 6 by 6, that is 1. So this will be the correct answer. Next question number 15. Consider the following statement about ozone. Ozone is a poisonous gas. It is also true. Ozone is product of ultraviolet red radiation acting on the oxygen molecule. No, oxygen molecule is there. When ultraviolet UV rays fall upon it, it is split into elementary oxygen, and this elementary oxygen combined with O2 to give rise O3. So in this way, option A and C, that is your B option is correct. The food chain will more advantageous in term of energy if it has minimum trophic level. You know that from each transformation 90% there is a loss of energy from higher level. That's why if level will be minimum, the maximum energy will transfer. Now here in assertion region type of questions, we have a 17 to 20. Come to the first. Red light signals are used to stop the vehicles on the road. This is true. A red color light scatters the most as the visible from large distance. So it is wrong. So answer will be C. Assertion 18 number question. A piece of zinc metal gets reddish brown coating when kept in copper sulfate solution for the same time. It is true, but the reason copper is more reactive than zinc, it is false. Hence the answer is C. In 19, offspring produced by asexual reproductions are genetically similar to parents. It is true. Asexual reproduction involves a single parent. So, asexual reproduction only involves single parents, hence offspring produced by sexual reproductions are genetically similar. So, the both are correct and there is a direct explanation. Assertion 20 number. Producers are capable of using light energy from the sun to make food available in the ecosystem. All food chain in an ecosystem start with producer. When you see both are correct, it's a right, but assertion is not here. Assertion should be the reason and reason should be the assertion. That's why there is a reason is not right explanation of assertion. Hence the answer will be your B, according to my opinion. Question number 21 to 60, 26. You have a two marks question. So write essential equation for the following reaction takes place. Name. Silver chloride when in presence of light split into silver and chlorine gas is evolved. Complete the following chemical reaction in the form of Byrne's equation. So when you write Byrne's equation, 4 ferrous sulfate is heated, 2 ferrous ferric oxide and 4 sulfur dioxide along with 1 molecule of oxygen. You can write it. Question number 22. Okay, list of question number 22. List any two pair of visible contrasting character in garden piece. So we have already mentioned here 7 pair of contrasting characters. One is dominant, another is recessive. Tall into constricted, green into yellow, yellow into green, axial terminal, round, wrinkle. So any of the two contrasting character you can take here. Now, or in human beings, the probability of getting a male or female child is 50%. This question was also given in pre-board examination, you might have seen. Explain with the help of flow chart only. So, remember here, in class I have also explained this one. Female, you have to draw the diagram of female or male, or you can write symbol 2, or you can simply write male or female. So, female having 44 autosomes and X and Y, we have a diploid set 46 chromosome. So, out of 46, one set is 44 autosomes and another XX which is present in female. But in male, 44 autosomes, together 6 chromosomes are X and Y. So, during gametogenesis, reduction division takes place and the chromosome reduced to half. Hence, the gametes are haploid. So, female produces 2 types of gametes. The flow chart is showing on the answer you have to give according to flow chart. So, you write reduction division, then gametes 22 plus X, 22 plus X, again the similar gametes are there. One type of, those 2 gametes are formed, but both of them are similar type. Hence, we can consider one also. And male produces, heterogametic produces 2 types of sperm. One is gymnosperm, another is androsperm. X containing sperm is gymnosperm and Y containing sperm is androsperm. So if gymnosperm fuses with the ovum, the female, which is a chance of 50%, and if androsperm fuses, the son will produce 22 plus 22, 44, and X plus Y, XY. Hence, 50% chances are there according to flowchart, you can explain. Question number 23. Where auxin synthesized, how do they promote phototropism? Auxin are generally synthesized at the apical region, apex, which may be shoot apex or root apex. Then it is migrated to other site. Auxins are the growth promoting hormones. Hence, in shoot, they migrate towards the lower side, earth side, that is showing more growth, and that results in the bending of shoot towards the light. You can consider here. Auxin synthesize
oxygen migrate towards lower one, and lower show more growth, so then towards upper side. In root system, the equation is reversed. Okay, oxygen migrate towards upper side and then move upper side show more growth, so it bends downwardly. Okay, so in this way you can easily write. 24. Draw a label diagram. You can draw in different way the direction of current. Applying the right hand thumbs rule, you can suppose that holding a current carrying conductor, so in which direction your fingers are wrapping. If they are wrapping, current is moving in upward. If they are moving anti-clockwise. Okay, so here clockwise and here anti-clockwise. So in this way you can easily draw this one. Question number 24. 24B. 24B. Name the device used to magnetize a piece of magnetic material. Draw a label diagram to show the arrangement used for the magnetization of cylinder made of soft iron. So you can draw this diagram. Okay, a rod is there, soft iron is there, solenoid. The material, the apparatus is called solenoid, and this one is the negative. It is connected to negative terminal. Here positive one, key is there, rheostat is there, and in this way when current is allowed, the soft iron becomes magnet. So question number 25. When do we say that particular person is suffering from hypermetropia? So when the image is formed behind the retina, it is so the person is unable to see nearby object properly, but can see the far object. Okay, this defect is known as hypermetropia. Actually, the aged people have got this. Causes greater focal length of the eye, and eyeball becomes smaller. Any of the two regions. This defect is corrected by using a convex lens, converging lens it is also called, of suitable power, which brings the focal length at 25 centimeter per point. Okay, so now come to the question number 26. In question number 26, we have a food wave. Give region for the following. Food wave is more stable than a food chain. So what should be the correct answer? Food wave is more suitable or stable than a food chain in an ecosystem because there are alternative arrangement for the food at upper level, in trophic level. So prey may be escape from being eaten and support balance of nature, and also save the specific link from being extinction. Okay, predators cannot target one single predators. Okay, so in this way there will be a sustainable management or sustainable progress of ecosystem take place, or balance will be maintained. B. Its beach of food chain should not be more than 4 trophic level. Since there is a 90% loss of energy at every trophic level during the transformation, hence from one level to another, a huge mass of energy is ultimately lost by reaching to the 4th or 5th level. You can understand here that 1000 joule of energy going to next level become 100, then 10, and then 1. Only 1 joule energy is left. So energy after dissipating at different trophic levels becomes so small that it cannot support the next trophic level. Question number 27. Name the chemical reaction that occur between, this is section number C. Question number occurs between the ferric oxide and aluminum metal. This is a very common reaction that this reaction is called thermite reaction. When aluminum react with ferric oxide, the aluminum oxide along with iron is produced, and a tremendous amount of heat is released, exothermic reaction, that make the two rails join together. So this is very common reaction. This one is this displacement or redox reaction. 27B. A student is working, or its work is there. Why it is called displacement reaction? Because the aluminum is displacing the iron. Okay, iron is displaced by aluminum. Aluminum is at the upper level in reactivity series, you know, you all are aware. So this reaction is displacement reaction or redox reaction. This is called displacement reaction as aluminum displaces the higher reactive matter, displaces iron which is at the lower position in activity series. This reaction releases very high temperature exothermic, so melts the iron for welding in railway tracks. Or the metal or iska. The answer is or. That is, a student is working in the laboratory with metal E, which is stored under kerosene wire. You are aware that sodium is kept there. Somehow, the small piece of metal fall in beaker containing water and start burning. Name the metal E. So metal is the sodium. And second, sodium react with water to form sodium hydroxide. Now the sodium react with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. The nature of the product NaOH is alkaline. That is your also basic. Third is the process by which metal E, sodium, extracted is electrolytic refining or extraction or reduction methods. Okay. Now question number 28A. 28A. State reason for the following. Zinc oxide is an amphoteric oxide. So why zinc oxide is an amphoteric oxide? As it reacts with acid as well as base. Ampho means dual. So to produce salt and water. When zinc oxide behaving like base, it reacts with HCl to form zinc chloride and water. When it behaves like acid, it reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium zincate and water. Hence, it is amphoteric. So you have to write this one also with reaction. B. Calcium start floating when immersed in water. So calcium reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide along with the release of hydrogen gas. And this hydrogen gas attached with hydrogen gas release which stick to the surface of metal and make it lighter to float. Answer C. In the reaction of nitric acid metals, generally hydrogen gas is not evolved. Being a strong oxidizing agent, nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. So what is left in it is not consumed, converts the hydrogen gas immediately to water. That's right. Various reactions I have explained. If you understand, many reactions are there. Zinc react with nitric acid, zinc nitrate, hydrogen gas is formed. This hydrogen gas, zinc react with nitric acid, zinc nitrate, nitrogen dioxide, water is formed. So various options are there, but ultimately your answer will be that. No need to go more explanation. 29. Your 29 question is, come to the 29 question. We water the soil, but it reaches the topmost leaves of the plant. Explain in brief the process involved. This is the ascent of sap. The process of movement of water from lumen of xylem after absorption to leaves is known as ascent of sap. So you have to describe ascent of sap. This is supported by continuous evaporation of water by transpirational pool. So one factor is transpirational pool. Root pressure is also, since the lumen of xylem all around the water enter, you can see here, that creates a pressure, and due to this pressure the water moves upward. So second is the root pressure. Cohesion and adhesion theory given by Dickson and Joly, that there is a cohesion force of attraction between the water molecules and adhesive force of attraction between the lumen of xylem as well as the water. Different molecules, that is adhesive force of attraction. So adhesive force of attraction stick the water upwardly once water moves ahead, and the cohesive force brings the water molecules intact. So these are the forces also apply to bring the water at the topmost layer. So in this way you can describe as well as draw the diagram. Being water potential higher as soil than root hair, the endoosmosis takes place, which bring the water into the lumen of xylem. So by the process of osmosis, the water enter into the lumen of xylem, and from lumen of xylem it goes to different parts. Question number 30. Question number 30. So write the name and location of hormone which help in person to respond when chased by dog. So it is an emergency hormone. Clearly indicate. The name of the person is the name of the hormone is adrenaline or epinephrine. You can also write. It is secreted by adrenal gland, which is located above the kidney in lower part of the posterior end of the abdominal cavity. Even if you write the adrenal in kidney, it's okay. It's increased metabolism, hence more energy is produced by metabolism of carbohydrate. Hence, it make you for fight or fright or flight. F-L-I-G-H-T. Fight or flight. 31 question. Explain brief the function of electric fuse in a domestic circuit. An electric heater of current 3 kilowatt 220 volts is to be operated an electric circuit of rating 5 ampere. What is likely to happen when the heater is switched on? Justify. So fuse protects the domestic circuit from any damage caused due to the overloading or short circuiting. Given P is 3 kilowatt, that is the 3000 watt, and voltage is 220 volts. So formula is state that P is equal to VI, I is equal to P by V. So when we calculate 13.63 ampere current value will come here. The rated current is 13.6 ampere. The domestic circuit will be overloaded as the rated current exceeded the current carrying capacity of the conductor when the heater is switched on. So that will be your correct answer. 32. Draw a schematic diagram of circuit consisting of battery of 4 dry cells of 1.5 volt, 2 ohm resistors, 6 ohm resistors and 16 ohm resistors and plug key all connected in series. Put an ammeter to measure the current in the circuit and voltmeter across the 16 ohm resistors to measure the potential difference across its two ends. Use Ohm's law to determine. So your first question is ammeter reading and voltmeter reading when key is loaded. So the diagram, you can draw the diagram. The required circuit is shown here. Ammeter is attached to this one. Your current direction of current should be shown here, and plug key is there. So in this way you can write 6 volt battery, 1 2 3 4 battery you have attached. This is a -1, this one +1. So in this way, a reading, the ammeter reading will be 2 plus 6 plus 16 is equal to 24 ohm, and volt is equal to 6 volt. Okay. Ammeter reading I will be V by R is equal to 6 by 24, that is 1 by 4th ampere, which is equivalent to 0.25 ampere. You can write or 1 by 4 ampere is also correct. B, your answer B is voltmeter reading when key is closed. Voltmeter reading will be V is equal to IR formula, you know. So when we put the value 16 into 4, we get 4 volt. 33, the path of light become visible. Your question is, 33 number question is, name and explain the phenomenon of light due to which the path of a beam of light become visible when it enters a smoke-filled room through a small hole. Also state the phenomenon of color of light we receive on the size of the particle of the medium through which the beam of light passes. The path of the light becomes visible when it enters the smoke-filled room through a small hole. This phenomenon is called a scattering of light. The spreading of light in different directions, okay, when it passes through collide solution or suspension is called the scattering of light. It can be experimentally demonstrated using Tyndall effect. Okay, the scattering of light is direct proportional to the square of the size of the particle medium through which the beam of light passes. A scattering of light is proportional to size of the particle medium square of the size of the particle medium. That is, higher the size of the particle, more will be the extent of scattering. Okay, so in this way, question number 34, section D, 5 marks question. Your question is, draw a ray diagram to show the path of the refracted ray in each of the following. A ray of light incident on a concave lens parallel to its principal axis and its direction towards its principal focus. Second, 4 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of the convex lens of the focal length 24 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 16 centimeter. Find the position and size of the image. Or, so first of all, you see this one. A1, that is, the lens is concave and here F1 is there, 2F is there, here F is there, 2F is there. So the image, the ray diagram to show path of the refracted ray in the each of the ray parallel to the principal axis. The ray goes parallel to the principal axis. It is refracted in this direction, appear to come from the principal focus. This is a correct diagram. Second, in second commission, a ray of light parallel. Second, if it directed towards the principal focus. So when it directed towards principal focus, after refraction, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. So in this way, you can say that why it is going parallel to the principal axis. So a ray become parallel to the principal axis. Second, your second question is, here height of the image is 4 centimeter. F is your 24 centimeter. It is a positive because it is a convex lens. And U is equal to minus 16 in this direction. So from lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Then you put the value 1 by V is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. And 1 by V, when we calculate the 1 by U goes there to become 1 plus 1 by U. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 20. After putting the value, when we put the value, you will get 1 by 24 minus 1 by 26. Then minus 2 by 3 minus 2 minus 3 by 48, that is 1 by 48. So V is equal to minus 48 centimeter. Position of the image is formed at 48 centimeter from the optical center behind the object. Nature of the image, virtual, it form virtual image, and erect, an image will be virtual, it will automatically erect. Size of the image, that is magnification, so V by U. So HI by HO, when you write the minus 48 by minus 16, HI by 4, so HI is equal to 12 centimeter. By calculating, you can get 12 centimeter. The size of the image is 12 centimeter. So in this way, you can easily tally your answer. 34B. Draw a ray diagram to show the path of the reflected ray in each of the following. Parallel to principal axis, direct towards principal focus, and 1.5 centimeter tall candle flame is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave mirror of the focal length 12 centimeter. If the distance of the flame from the pole of the mirror is 18 centimeter, use mirror formula to determine the position and size of the image form. So your correct answer will be 1. Mirror is this one, M and N, you can write mirror, and the pole is this one. So when ray come after reflection appear to come from F. So in this way we can write a ray of the light incident on the convex mirror parallel to the principal axis after reflection diverge and they appears to coming from the focus. Second, again a ray of the light directed towards the principal focus after reflection from the convex mirror, it becomes parallel to the principal axis like this. You can see why it become parallel. Second, HO is equal to plus 1.5 centimeter, focus is equal to 12 centimeter, U is equal to minus 18 centimeter. From the mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by is equal to 1 by A. So you can get by putting the value 1 by B is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 18, and you can get 3 plus 2 by 36, 5 by 36. So that is B 1 by B. So B is equal to 36 by 5. So 7 by 0.2 centimeter will be correct answer. Position of the image is formed at the 7.2 centimeter behind the mirror. Nature, it's a virtual and erect. You can see. Size of the image, M is equal to minus V by U in case of mirror. So HI by HO is equal to minus 7 by 2 minus 118 is equal to HI by 1.5. So HI is equal to 7.2 into 1.5 by 18 into 10 into 10. You can calculate. You can get 0.6 centimeter. Size of the image form is 0.6 centimeter. Any of its ABC 3, name any 2 STDs. So one is the AIDS and warts, herpes, syphilis, herpes, any type of you can write. Second, parental sex determination is prohibited by the law. Why? Due to the abuse of this law, parents get the gender. If it is female child, then they do the female feticides. That results in decline of sex ratio and which ultimately highly cause of concern for the healthy society. So it is prohibited. Name any 3 methods of contraception starting one side effect of each. So methods here and the side effects. Suppose that barrier method, then reduced pleasure, surgical methods, irreversible, oral contraceptive, hormonal disorder or allergy. Okay. Then its or question is there. So 35 or is there. In 35 or we have a question. Name the unisexual and bisexual flowers. Okay. So unisexual flower is cucumber, cucurbita family, pumpkin, cucumber, papaya, palm, any you can write. Bisexual flowers, hibiscus or China rose, mustard, brinjal. These are abundance. These are few in numbers. So you can write easily. Define cross-pollination. The cross-pollination is the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of different flowers of same species. Is called cross-pollination. It is carried out by the process of emasculation and bagging. So in emasculation, the male part, anther is cut and removed before maturation, while the bagging, stigma is covered with paper bag in order to avoid unwanted pollination. During artificial pollination, the bagging is removed and the pollination carried out. You can see, you can also clarify with the help of diagram. This is one plant, another. The transfer of pollen grain taking place from anther to stigma. So in this way, you can write. Observe the diagram here. Focus the diagram. A and B. A is nothing but it is the plumule and B is the radicle, which is the give rise to the shoot. It is a precursor of shoot system. It is a precursor of root system. So solution A, B, C, D, E. When tested with pH paper, the pH as 1, 4, 1, 13, 7 and 10 respectively. Which solution is strongly acidic? So here you can write easily. Strongly acidic, the pH. When we see the pH, here I have made for you the pH 0 to 14. The 7 is the neutral and below 7 the acidity and the after 7 there are alkaline. So strongly acidic is B having pH 1 only. A strongly alkaline is pH 13, weakly acidic is pH 4, and neutral is 7, and weakly alkaline is pH 10. So in this way you can write easily. Question second of its part. Write the name and formula. Write the name and formula of one acidic salt and the basic salt, giving the name of the parental acid and parental base used to form the salt in each case. So an acidic salt is ammonium chloride. Chemical formula of this is NH4Cl. Parental acids are acid is HCl and parental base is ammonium hydroxide. It is a strong base, it is a weak, it is a strong acid, it is a weak base, so it gives the acidic solution. A basic salt is sodium ethanoate, parental acid is ethanoic acid, which is a weak acid, and parental base is NaOH, which is the strong base. You are already aware. So in this way you can write. It's our question. Name and state in brief the process which is used to prepare sodium hydroxide from sodium chloride. In this process, along with the main product, two gases X and Y are also given off at the electrode. Name the X and Y, specifying the name of their respective electrodes at which each gas is obtained. One of these gas, when react with dry calcium hydroxide, produces compound Z, which is widely used in water treatment plant and textile industries. Name the Z. Write the chemical equation for the reaction involved in this formation. So this is your question. So what will be the answer? So you write the balanced chemical equation that NaCl react with water during electrolysis by passing current electricity. It's form NaOH, hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Sodium hydroxide can be prepared by electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is brine. The gases involved are hydrogen and chlorine gas. This process is called chloralkali process. There is a state question. X is the hydrogen gas. Y is the chlorine gas. Hydrogen gas is collected at cathode and chlorine gas will be negatively charged and chlorine is there, so move towards positive cathode anode. Chlorine gas reacts with dry KOH to produce calcium oxychloride, bleaching, that is bleaching powder, CaOCl, yeah, CaOCl2. So calcium oxychloride bleaching powder, which is used in water treatment plant and textile industry. They bleach the color as well as it is considered as antiseptic to clean the water. So reaction is already given. Now come to the section number E. Section E, you have a question number 37. Question number 37. So question number 37 states, name more than 3 million carbon compounds have been discovered in the field of chemistry. The diversity of these compounds is due to the capacity of carbon atom for bonding. This is a question you are already. Write the molecular formula of first two members of the homologous series having functional group Br. So you can write easily the A, your answer A for A is the molecular formula of first two members of the homologous series having functional group bromine are bromomethane and bromoethane. Can easily write a structure formula you can also draw. Second, B, given below are the formula of some functional group. So CHO is aldehyde and this one is a keto group. So this one is aldehyde and there is ketone. Write the name of this functional group. What would be observed on adding 5% of alkaline? So when 5% of alkaline potassium permanganate is used in alkaline medium, it's form ethanoic acid. Okay, so alcohol is converted into acid. It is oxidized. So when the ethanol is heated with the alkaline KMnO4, it is oxidized to produce ethanoic acid and water. This reaction is called oxidation of ethanol. KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent. Okay, so you can easily write. Next is your C option. That what would be observed adding 5% alkaline, and its other option that when in acidic medium, when this ethyl alcohol is heated with at 107 degrees Celsius with conc H2SO4, it form unsaturated ethene. Okay, and this under the ethanol is heated at 170 degree or 443 Kelvin, you can write, with excess of conc H2SO4 is dehydrated to produce ethene and water. This reaction is called dehydration reaction. So easily you can write. Concentrated sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent here. Next is your 39 number question. Okay, so 39 question, 38. Okay, 38. So first of all, 38 human digestive system. So 38 answer is cavity contains salivary glands like parotids near cheek, submaxillary lower jaw, and sublingual below tongue, which secrete saliva that contains salivary amylase, that is ptyalin, and lysosome and mucus. A starch. This ptyalin enzyme work on a starch to convert into maltose, that is disaccharide. Partial digestion taking place, which is further digested in a small intestine with the help of maltose. So you write in this way. Its B option is two organs have a sphincter muscle. So you can write a stomach, pyloric sphincter is there that pass on the chyme to chyle, and urethra that guard the urethra sphincter which allow the urine to pass. You can write anal sphincter too. So we have option. Then C, bile juice doesn't contain an enzyme. Its mucus is not secreted by stomach, gastric juice or gastric glands. The HCl destroy the lining of the stomach or causes wound formation. Second, its second option is if villi are absent in the small intestine, or its or option. So if villi are absent in a small intestine, then absorption of digested food will abruptly fall down, leading to passing nutrients along with the feces, which ultimately lead to malnutrition and poor nutrition. Its C option will be what happens. That is the C. What happens? Mucus is not secreted and villi. That's answer. Its or is bile juice. So through bile juice, though bile juice doesn't contain any enzyme but contains bilirubin, biliverdin, sodium bicarbonate salts, which increases the pH of chyme to make it chyle and help in for further digestion in duodenum by the help of ready. So C, it's C or option. C, it is a C or of C only. Though bile juice doesn't contain any enzyme but contain bilirubin, biliverdin, sodium bicarbonate salts, etc., which increases the pH of chyme, that the food come from stomach, which is acidic in nature, now make it alkaline and turn into chyle for further digestion in duodenum, because the enzyme of pancreas only worked at lower pH, that is in higher pH, that is alkaline medium. So by help of enzymes, pancreas, secondary, it's emulsified the fat for better action of pancreatic lipase. This plays an important, thus it plays an important role in digestion, though doesn't contain an enzyme. So in this way you can write. Now question number 39. Last question, that is the domestic circuit LED bulbs are. So question you are already aware. Now know the answer. When key 1 is on, then it closed, then only bulb A will glow. Okay, bulb A will glow. But when key 2 is closed, means this path you closed, then all these three B, C, D, E bulb will glow. So 1 and 2 A answer will be there. In B, resistance of bulb A you have to find out resistance of bulb A. So resistance of bulb A will be, we can calculate by V is equal to I, you know, I is equal to V by R, P is equal to V by I. So you can write P is equal to V by I means V square by R. You can write a P is equal to V square by R. So R is equal to V square by P. So by applying this formula, you can easily derive this one, 2200 ohm resistance. You can get it. Resistance of bulb B1, C1, D1, E1 together will be again here 55 square by 11. Okay, so all are having 11 watt and 55 volt. So 55 square by 11, you'll get 3025 by 11 or 275 ohm. So 2220 ohm and 2075 ohm. Now current drawn is equal to again 220 volt by 4 into 275, that is the resistance. So 220 by, if you multiply it, 1100 ampere, so 0.2 ampere current will be correct answer. So in this way you can tally your answer, and I think this video will help you a lot to know what's the performance we have given, and this is my opinion. Your answer may deviate little bit of according to marking scheme, but at least you can sure that how the good marks will get. Another things I will suggest, this video will not help you the students who have already given the examination, but those who will evaluate or those who will the examine of next sessions, this analysis definitely help them. Thank you.